Okay, so back in my Azure portal, I'm going to go into the Jakarta EE Jumpstart registry. And when we come into the registry, we come to the repositories here. When you come to the registry, you just come to repository. Remember, a registry is a private, more or less Docker repo we created on the Azure platform, and then we shipped or we pushed an image to that registry. So the image is what we come to look at. So you can see the image here, Jumpstart. Remember, we named our Docker image Jumpstart in the registry. So that is what we are seeing here, like this. So this is the image that we push to the registry, the Azure Container Registry. This is the tag that was tagged. By default, the tag is latest. So our image has been pushed to our Docker registry on Azure platform, or to the Azure Container Registry. So we know that our image is there. Now let me close all of these like this. Good. So our image is pushed to our container registry. Now let me come up here and say web apps for containers. Good. Azure web app like this. Nope, this one. Web apps, this one. Web apps. Now we're going to create an Azure web app, and then we're going to expose our Docker image so that we expose it as an Azure web app for container, and then we can access it over the internet. So let's just come, when you come to the web apps, we just hit new like this, or add. Okay, so what kind of web app are we looking for? I'm looking for web app for containers like this. There are different kinds of web apps. This one, web app for containers. I'll just choose that one. Then so Azure web app for containers. There's also web app for containers with MySQL. We're just going to use this one for our purposes. Okay, so web app blah blah blah. We're just going to say create. Okay, so what name are we going to use? We're going to say Jakarta EE dash Jumpstart like this. Okay, so this is available. So I'm just going to use an existing resource, one of my existing resources for that. Then the operating system, we just choose Linux to make our life easy. You can just choose the smallest one for our purposes. Should work fine. Linux 1 instance, yeah, this is okay. Now let's configure the container. This is the exciting part. Okay, so if we are saying we want to expose a container as a web application, then where is it coming from? We want one in Azure Container Registry like this. So this one. Now this will give you the option to choose the registries you have. We choose this one, and then what image from that registry, this particular image, and then what tag from that registry, this one. Like this. I'll just leave this as it is now. Again, we have a project, we have an application that we packaged as a Docker image, and then we created an Azure Container Registry, which is more or less like a private Docker registry. We created that registry, and then we pushed our image to that registry. Now we want that web application to be accessible over the internet, so we are now using the Azure web apps for containers to expose that image as a web application, and that is what we are doing here. Now we've been given the option to choose the registry, and then choose the image, and then even choose the tag that we want to expose. So I'll just hit apply here, and then that is done. So let me just create it like this. If all goes well, should work. Shouldn't get any error here with all my options like this. And then that should create a container and then expose that container as a web application for you.